everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sister's Tales. I hope you all are doing great. Sorry for not being active in the past few days, and thank you to all who constantly asked me why my vlogs were not coming. I promise that I'll be more active from now onwards. So you all must have got the idea what this vlog is about from my title. Yes, it's my birthday vlog. My sister prepared surprise cake for me, and the best thing is she shot the recipe for you all. So let us first begin with the birthday cake recipe. This is the recipe for an eggless chocolate cake. To prepare buttermilk, add 1 teaspoon food vinegar to 1/3 cup of milk. For wet ingredients, in a bowl, add half cup refined oil. Avoid using desi ghee or mustard oil. Add 3/4 cup of castor sugar or well crushed sugar. Now whisk them for 3 to 5 minutes. Now add half cup curd and whisk them again for 3 to 5 minutes in order to incorporate air in the mixture. This makes our cake fluffy and soft. You can skip the curd part and add 2 eggs if you don't want an eggless cake. Finally, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence in the same mixture and whisk it again. For dry ingredients, sieve 1.5 cup of maida, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder plus half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 baking soda. Make sure to follow this step since it adds air in the cake and does not let your cake become dense. Mix all the dry ingredients together so that everything is evenly mixed. Now it's time to combine dry and wet ingredients. The right technique to mix all the ingredients is to mix them in batches. That is, add 1/3 of dry ingredients along with 1/3 of buttermilk in the wet ingredients. Make sure to mix these ingredients with a light hand. You can check the mixing technique as shown. Now repeat the process until all the ingredients are mixed well. Now take the baking dish, grease it with oil and maida as shown, or if you have parchment paper, you can place it at the bottom. Since we are making layered cake, we will be baking both the layers separately. If you want, you can pour the batter together in the dish and bake it. We will be baking both the layers separately by pouring half the batter at a time. To bake in oven, preheat it for 10 minutes and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check it with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes clean, the cake is ready. Let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature. Do not take it out immediately, otherwise it will break. To make chocolate ganache, you can melt the chocolate in the microwave or with this double boiler technique. It is very simple, and the best part is chocolate does not burn. Once the chocolate is melted, add half cup of fresh cream and mix it gently. Here we have used Amul fresh cream. Once the ganache is at room temperature, add it in the fridge. Before using it for topping, blend it with hand blender or whisker. To make caramel, take a cup of sugar, let it melt at low flame. Do not touch it in between. Once the sugar is melted, add a teaspoon of butter. Mix it well. Now Add 1/3 cup of fresh cream at low flame. If you do not have fresh cream, you can even add half cup milk. Believe me, this caramel sauce is heavenly. Now, mix 1 tablespoon sugar in half cup water. Add the mixture over the first layer. It helps in making the sponge soft and juicy. Now, spread the caramel sauce that we prepared. If you don't want to add caramel sauce, you can even add chocolate ganache. Add your favorite chocolates. Now keep the next layer on top of it. Repeat the same process. Cover the cake with your prepared chocolate ganache. Decorate it with your favorite chocolate or sprinklers. Keep your cake in fridge for 20 to 30 minutes and your chocolate cake is ready. Believe me, the cake was amazing. We all loved it. And of course, if it is made with so much love, it tastes the best. Now I am combining some of the glimpses from the midnight celebration with my family. I did not shoot any video for YouTube. These are just some glimpses of our celebration. So, this was my birthday outfit. My sister gifted it to me. The outfit is custom made and I loved every bit of it. From the color, pattern to the suit style. The perfect birthday outfit that I wanted. Yes, how can you miss my slow-mos? I just love them. And finally, the photo shoot. Birthdays are incomplete without photos. I met my favorite people, had my favorite food. In short, I feel blessed to celebrate my birthday with my loved ones. I hope you all enjoyed my birthday vlog. My family made it very special for me. I wish that birthday could come twice a year so I can get all the love, attention and pampering from everyone. So if you like my vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe now.